Today we're going to make Bliss bowl. Ingredients are 30 grams of cacao, 40 grams of oatmeal, 80 grams of walnuts. But today we're going to use walnuts. 140 grams of prunes, 50 grams of chocolate, coconuts to taste. First, we need to put the prunes in the hot water.
Lovely. Okay, and can you go and get the hot water bottle? It's over there, Emma. Okay, can you do this, Emma?
Yes.
Can you do this? Okay, be very careful. You want just enough hot water to cover the prunes, okay? Okay. Alright, and then go get a spoon or something and push the prunes down so they're all under the water. Very nice. Okay, and we're just going to leave those to sit there for about 10 minutes, okay?
Next, we need to grind the cacao.
And these are cacao nibs, okay? You don't have to use cacao nibs, but they're a bit difficult to get, but we're going to use cacao nibs. Very good, press the 0 button, and you want 30. Let's see if I can get 30 in here. Okay, 33 seconds. There we go, 33. Correct.
Sorry, it's a bit noisy.
Go ahead.
You can dance
If you want.
if you want.
Go on then. Oh, Emma, perfect. Nice. Right.
Again, if you want to dance, you can.
Okay, so the mixture has now come out of the freezer and it's kind of cold and it's okay to roll into balls now, okay? So we're going to make some balls with this. 20 grams, okay? 20 grams, okay? Each one. There's one there. 20 grams is probably about that big. You can weigh it out if you want to. Okay, I'm going to fast forward this bit so that you don't have to watch me doing all this. Okay, so the balls are finished. Next we're going to cover the balls in chocolate, okay? And to be honest, the easiest way to do this, I think, is just to put the chocolate in the microwave, okay? So, before you do that, you want to break up the chocolate so that it melts quicker. Okay, and you want to put it in a bowl that's okay in the microwave. Okay, so let's put them into Ampaman's bowl. Okay, and this is going to go into the microwave until it melts. Okay, and then we're going to use some of this to decorate it. Okay, and when chocolate's still wet, you can just sprinkle this over the top. Okay, or we also have some of these kind of candied decorations as well. So we might do some with these as well. Okay, sprinkle these on the top just to make them look pretty for Valentine's Day. Okay, so now the chocolate is kind of melted, look, and it drips out like that, can you see? Yeah, okay, so now we can start covering these balls in chocolate. Alright, so the easiest thing to do is probably to put a cocktail stick in one of these like that. You can make a little lollipop, okay, and then just coat it in chocolate. Okay, and while it's still wet, I'm just going to show you with one, okay? But while it's still wet, you want to put things on there while it's still wet so that it sticks to it. Okay? There we are. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of the balls now.
Try different nuts or try different fruits. Make your own recipe.